So now I'm back again. So you've had a chance to watch me create this custom color. So now it's time for us to go ahead and customize this part. I'm going to use the shade from the Lace Paste Scalp Corrector Kit that's much more darker to her skin tone. But the shade that was right next to it, that's actually her skin tone. But I first like to go in with a bit of a darker shade. And next, then I'm going to use the lightest shade at the very top, but you're going to see. And so next, now notice, and then you just want to go ahead and just I would say spread the product in there, kind of wipe any excess product that's in there. And then next we're going in with that lighter shade. So notice the shade that I used at first, it was right next to the lighter shade. And then you're going to notice the difference in a second, how much natural it's going to look, and it's just going to blend right into her skin tone. And we both agreed it looks so much more natural, and this is what it looks like. I mean, this is just everything. And this is no filter, guys. This right here is no filter. And you can grab all of the products used in this tutorial at lacepaste.com. And I have something gorgeous for you future wig makers coming.